Let's look at simultaneous equations and elimination method. That's the method that we're going to use to eliminate any letter that we want to eliminate. There are two things that are particular about this topic. The first one is the issue of coefficients, and the other one is taking note of the sign. Let's look at our number 8, which we're supposed to solve. For us to solve this equation, we should eliminate either x or y. We cannot eliminate y because the coefficients of y are different. They have to be the same. And we cannot also eliminate x because the coefficients of x are different. They have to be the same for us to eliminate. My choice is I will choose to eliminate x. And for us to eliminate x, we have to make sure that the coefficients of x are the same. So I will look for LCM, lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, which is 6. That's the smallest number which can be divided by 2 and 3 without leaving a remainder. So for this part here to have a 6, it means I have to multiply by 3. So I'll multiply the whole equation by 3. And for this part here to be a 6, I'll multiply this by a 2. So I'll multiply the whole equation by a 2. So I'll multiply the first equation by 3. So 3 by 2, we have 6x plus 3 by 5y, we get 15y is equals to 3 times 0, get a 0. That's equation 1. And on equation 2, we multiply by a 2. So 3x times 2, we get x, then minus 2y times this 2, we get 4y, because this 19 times a 2, we get 38. We multiply throughout by that given number. Now that I have the same coefficients, which is a 6, it's now easy for me to eliminate x. But the second part of elimination that I talked about is now the issue of the sign before you eliminate. Take note, if you want to eliminate x and there's no sign here that is given, we simply put a plus. The assumption is the sign is a plus. If there's no sign, we put a plus here. It means the sign that we have is a plus. And take note, the rules of the signs are, if the signs are the same, like in this case there's a plus here, there's a plus there, we subtract. Take note, if the signs are different, like there's a plus here and a minus here, you want to eliminate y, it simply means we add. But in our case, we want to eliminate x. So the numbers 6x and 6x don't have signs before them, you put plus signs. That's the signs that are there. So we eliminate using this part. If the signs are the same, we subtract. So I'll write a subtraction sign here and then put a bracket, meaning to say the first equation, which is this one, equation 3, will subtract equation 4, right? So 6x minus this 6x, we get 0. It means we've eliminated x. We are left with a y. So this is plus 15y minus this is plus 15y minus 4y is equals to 0 minus 38, right? So I'll end up having a plus here. Minus and a minus will give us a plus here. So we end up having 15 plus 4y, we get 19y is equals to 0 minus 38, we get minus 38. We solve this, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, divide by 19 both sides. Y is equals to minus 38, divide by 19, we get a minus 2. That's the value for y. And then we take any equation that we so want. I will take equation 1, which get 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. Then in place of y, I'll write a minus 2. So I have 2x plus 5 multiplied by value of y, which is minus 2, is equals to 0. I have 2x plus 5 multiplied by minus 2 there, we get minus 10. which is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 0. We add a 10 both sides in order to remove a 10. So we have 2x is equals to 0 plus 10, that's a 10. We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is a 2. X is equals to 5. So the values that we're looking for are x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 2. So take note, the basic rules of elimination are the coefficients are supposed to be the same. When you make sure that they are the same, the second part is take note of the signs. If the signs are different, we add. If the signs are the same, we subtract. Can you try number 1 up to 5 on your own? Thank you very much. Have a good day.